Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a 2007 Honda CR-V issue with the AC compressor. Okay, so the compressor is not working, but look at this, it's turning on. Okay, but it's not working. Okay, so let me show you guys how can you check if the compressor is working or not. The first step is check the 12 volts and ground and check the relay. Okay, this is the relay. We have our normally open contact. Okay, this is the contact right here, and this is the coil. Okay, so we're going to put the ground and 12 volts right here, just to check the functionality. Okay, let me see. Okay, now 12 volts. Okay, it's working. All right, we have continuity. Okay, so the relay is working. Is nothing wrong with it. Okay, so the other thing that you need to do is put right there, because if you see right here, we have 12 volts. All right, 12 volts, and the other side is the normally open contact. Okay, so right here in the middle, we're going to check the actuator from the AC compressor. All right, guys, so I already put my flashlight right there. Okay, because I want to show you what happened with the compressor. Okay, this is the compressor. All right, so okay, so now I already checked the PSI on the R134i. Okay, but it's good, it's working. Okay, but when I put the 12 volts on the compressor, we don't have any oscillation on the PSI meter. Okay, so look at this. We're going to turn it on. Now it's turning on. Okay, so now the compressor is not working because I already disconnected the relay. Okay, but if we put the 12 volts, look at this. Okay, now we have turned. Okay, and look at this. Look at this. This is the clutch. All right. Okay, I'm going to put the 12 volts. Did you see? Okay. So the clutch on the AC compression is not working. Look at this. When I put the 12 volts, just move a little bit. Okay. So there you go, guys. Okay. So now, what's wrong with this compressor? Maybe the clutch has a failed, internal fail. Okay, so thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. All right, so don't forget to like and subscribe. All right, and check first the 12 volts on run in the relay. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.